good morning. Welcome back to my channel. आज मैं जा रही हूँ Pembrokeshire. I'm going camping for 2 nights in Pencarnan farm. Pencarnan farm, something like that. It's a camping place. So my plan is to stay there for 2 nights in my tent. And this is my first experience. मेरा पहला experience होगा. So let's see how it will go. I have mixed feelings, like I am excited and at the same time I'm a little bit nervous because it's first time for me. So my journey is like 4 hours. I have done now 2 hours 30 minutes. I've just taken a break and still I have to go 2 hours and something. I think 2 hours and 25 minutes. So yeah, I'll talk to you when I arrive there. Look forward to see you there. Stay with me. The way I have dropped my tent down as if I was very confident, but trust me, when I started putting the tent, I couldn't put it up. I thought I know what I am doing because I did practice at home twice, but here I don't know. I mean, I started panicking and I struggled. When I say I struggled means I really struggled. I couldn't put it up, and then I thought, oh, forget it. I'll just sleep in my car for 2 nights. Hello everybody, as you have seen, I couldn't put my tent up. So the plan is that I am gonna stay in my car for 2 nights. Yay! What a beautiful plan. First of all, it's too windy. I mean, I couldn't control the tent. And the second thing is, the pegs were not going in the ground because the ground is very solid. And yeah, I mean, I couldn't stand that tent. You have seen it yourself. So forget it. I mean, I can sleep in my car. That's not a problem. Big disaster. Let's go. Move on, man. Move on. Okay. Quick question. What if I wanna cancel for tomorrow night?
You can go.
Yeah.
We don't issue refunds.
No refunds.
For last minute cancellation.
Problem is I couldn't pitch up my tent, so most probably I'll stay in my car.
Have you tried in the backfields as well?
Should I try there?
I would if I were you.
Because after getting their permission to film them, to put them in my video, they didn't mind it. So I have joined them. I have learned how to put the tent on, and the way I was putting it was absolutely wrong. So it just took them 2 minutes to put my tent up, and I was so relieved and I was so happy that now I can stretch my back and I'm gonna sleep in my tent for 2 nights. So yeah, let me show you from inside. It's massive, big size. It's for 2 person, and yeah, I can go for a walk with peace of mind. And when I come back, I'll put my stuff in. I'll see you in my next video for a long walk. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please leave your comments, and I'll see you in part 2. Take care. Bye.